Right, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing great. In this video I'm going to show you how to make just like these banners in here, and all the banners file are down below in the comments so you can download it for free. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a professional banner with a glow effect using Photoshop, and let's get straight into it. Alright, so here we are in Photoshop, and all we need to do to create a banner for your YouTube channel is to know what exactly the size is. And you need to know where exactly you should put the picture and the subjects inside the banner. So all we need to do is to know that the free zone of the picture or the text or whatever you want to put in your banner is this number in the width and the height. And these are from here to here for the desktop shorter. Browsing YouTube from your desktop or your laptop, the black area if you are watching YouTube from your TV. And all we need to do is to work on these two zones from here to here. And I will put the template in the description so you can reach it easily. Right, so all you need to do is to go here on this tool and select from here to the end and go to this tool right here and select the color that you want. For example, I'm gonna go with the black and press just like this and click Ctrl D to remove the selection, and then go to the background layer and go, of course, just like we did. Alright, so for the background, I'm gonna just select the color from here wherever you want. I'm gonna make it gray, and select the background by clicking on Ctrl on your keyboard and click on it just like that. And the color must be the second color here, and press Ctrl Delete. Right, so all we need to do is to work inside of the free zone. So I'm gonna put my picture inside of it, so I will just input my picture inside the Photoshop. Right, so I just inputted my photo inside of the Photoshop. Right, so all we need to do is to select the body of me and put it in here on the free zone. So all you need to do is to go on the picture and select the object selection tool and select subject. Just click on it. It will automatically select the subject, but of course there is some mistake because it's just the software. So all you need to do is to go on this tool and start fixing the mistakes that the software did, just like that. Alright, so make sure that's on this, and if you want to delete, you can use this, or you can use the Alt to delete and without an Alt to add, just like this. Okay, there you go. Right, so after finish selecting your body, just go on here and click on the layer mask, and boom, just being selected. All you need to do is to drag it and drop it on the first project in here that we are working on. Right, so we have to resize the image, so all you need to do is to click on Ctrl T on your keyboard, make sure that this is turned on, and go here and just resize the image as you want, just like that. Ctrl plus to zoom in. Alright, resize it again. Right, so just like that. Alright, so I want this part not to be visible, so all you need to do is to go on the layer by clicking on Alt on your keyboard between them and click just like that. It will be inside of the free zone, as you can see. Right, so all you need to do is to find the background. Where to find the background? Of course on Google. Just go on Chrome or wherever you want and go to images, and for example you can type dark style room, and you can choose wherever you want. There is a huge number of pictures that you can use inside your project. Alright, so for example I just imported this layer, and here I just use this picture, and all you need to do is to resize it, Ctrl T, and just like that, and put it under your picture. Right, so all you need to do is to do a blur on the background so you can make more reality on your banner. So all you need to do is to go to filter and blur and Gaussian blur. Just do a little bit, not just a lot, that will be enough. And then go on here on the background and click on here to curves, and then just adjust this to make it more darker, right? So that will be great. All right, I think that's enough. So all you need to do is to create the glow effect. So all you need to do is to create a new layer and then choose the color that you want from here. For example, let's make it yellow with orange a little bit, just like that. And then go on the brush tool, go here, make sure this with the handness is 0, and you can of course adjust the size in here. All right, so you can just adjust the flow of course and click somewhere here, just like that, a little bit more, and create another layer on the top of the yellow glow and choose the white color, and then make it smaller, and then type and click a few times in here, just like that, as you can see. All right, so all we need to do is to create the glow on the body. So all we need to do is to go on the top of it and then make a new layer, and then go to the colors and choose whatever color that you just chosen, and then on the brush tool make it smaller and make that it's a hard round, make it 100, a little bit smaller, and then make a line on the body, just like that. You can always come back by clicking on Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to remove what you just did, to undo what you did. All right. So I'm gonna change the color. Just type in here on the effects panel and go on the color overlay. I'm gonna choose the yellow and make it quite lighter. There you go. And then just duplicate this layer by clicking on Ctrl+J on your keyboard to create another one, and just hide it a little bit. And then let's just work on this layer. All we need to do to create a professional looking glow, all you have to do is to go on this tool right here, just select it and then make it smaller a little bit, just like that. And you can adjust the strength in here wherever you want, and then right, so after you just end the doing that, you can of course just erase, right, erase what you don't need on your body when you just think that's too much, right? So just like that. Right, so just let's enable this and make it under what we just did on this, okay, and just make it white just like that. And then all you need to do is to go and do the same thing, but not a lot, just to make it high and on the body, and to make it a real glow with white. And there you go. You can of course adjust this color overlay. Let's make it just like that. A little bit orange. There we go. So after you're done from this glow effects around the body, just go and select the body on here, and then go on the filter and camera raw filter. And let's play with the tint and temperature and the color inside of this. Let's go on the color mixer on the yellow and make a lot of yellow in here with orange, just like that, to make it realistic, if you know what I mean. Just like that, as you can see. Right, so let's just add some text and stuff in here. Right, so all you need to do is to click on T on your keyboard and click wherever you want on here and type wherever you want. For example, on type, just make them closer to each other, make it 0. Right, so just resize it, Ctrl T to resize the image. And then let's make a gradient color. For example, I'm gonna go on gradient color and then choose orange, for example. You can choose this, then type 19, for example, to make it just like that. You can adjust the wherever you want it to be, from down, from left, and all you need to do is to go on Pivot and make some stuff in here to make it like 3D, just like that. You can of course click Ctrl and then drag this to make it work with just like that. As you may be noticed, the gradient color just moved on, so you can turn it just like that, and you can adjust it that you want the yellow or orange to be more in here. Right, so all you need to do is to go and outer glow, click on it and select yellow, for example. Can adjust the size, and then let's make another copy. Alt and then just drag it and drop it. That's a copy. For example, creator, just like that. Let's make it white and to delete all the effects, and then you can adjust the place that it will be, and you can of course do another here on the right side. Let's make it type here. Right, for example, let's type new video, for example days. Make another one here and type every day. Let's make it bigger and flip it here just like that. Well, it's kind of look good in here. Alright, so I just input this miracles from the internet and I want to make it yellow. Just click on Ctrl U, and then on the hue just try to make it yellow as possible and click OK, just like that, and put it under that, just like this. Can make a lot of copies, can flip it or trade it just like that. And you can of course add a lot of icon and stuff. For example, let's put the YouTube icon here, in here, YouTube. Right, so I just input the YouTube icon here, let's adjust it, make it inside and adjust it again. Can make it just like that, put it in here and somewhere here, just like that. And you can of course add many things here for the desktop viewer and browsers. So all you need to do is to go here and YouTube subscribe. Right, so I just import this, just resize it and put it in here. And of course do the outer glow, make the size more and spread just like that and somewhere here. And that's it, we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will mention that this file will be in the down below in the comments so you can download it for free. And goodbye.
Alright, so this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you like it, put a like and subscribe to my channel and click on the ring bell to receive all notification when I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.